Getting to the end of the day, we had to start our campfire so that we can test our little gecko pizza oven that we couldn't wait to finally give it a test on making some pizzas in the campsite.
Ja nee, dat is nogal grasieus.
Hy is in die laaitjie in die trailer, nee in die trailer. Nee, jok, is in die droger, hierdie kant se droger daar. Jy sien nie die pizza nie, dis net plastic.
Klein bietjie, want jy sit van jy moet nog mozzarella.
En jy bou net in die middel.
Mama, hy gaan afloop.
Okay, dis nou genoeg kaas. Daar's nog 'n paar pizzas. Joe. Ag jy lief.
Next one on top. Gooi die pizza van die plaat af. Kijk dit uit. Maar, dat is nog een kant te zien. Ga zij gewoon ons omdraaien.
This was so much fun. Yes, we burned a few, but a few of them came out very nice. But at least we had a chance to test it, so that next time when we take it out to the campsites or on our trips, we will definitely not burn any more pizzas. And we now perfectly know how to use this little pizza oven, which is a brilliant tool taking out on your camp trips, especially when those pizza cravings kick in.